The defense delivered closing arguments today in the ghost ship trial, and lawyers for one of the defendants say they have a good feeling about the jury. KPIX 5's Juliet Goodrich joins us now live from the courthouse with more on how these lawyers are taking a close look at jurors' body language. Right, Jules?
Yeah, they certainly are, Veronica. We just got out of court, and you know, these lawyers have been interacting with the jurors eye to eye, face to face, for quite some time now. And defense attorney Curtis Briggs says he feels a level of compassion with the jurors. Even his client, defendant Max Harris, says he feels some sort of connection. What does that mean? Well, right now they're hoping it means a not guilty. At the end of the day, the defense has done all they can do.
And the way I view it now, we're neck to neck. It's going to be a close case.
In his closing arguments, defense attorney Curtis Briggs, who is representing Max Harris, said, quote, there are probably no bad people in this case, maybe except for the owners. He said Harris didn't build the stairs, didn't do the electrical upgrades, and didn't have his name on the party invite the night of the fire. And he is not guilty. One thing's for sure, there will clearly be different endings and outcomes for all.
You know, as soon as the verdict comes out, I get to take a day off. Yeah, I haven't really thought about it much more than that.
After this verdict is over, I don't get a break. My life changes forever.
The judge kept reminding courtroom family members to keep any disapproving expressions to themselves. Not an easy thing to do for some during the defense's closing arguments.
No one's excused from doing the wrong thing. We all go to school. We all are raised as children, and we grow adults, and we know consequences, we know causes.
But Carmen Brito lived in the ghost ship for more than a year and believes the wrong people are being blamed.
And if the standard of guilt here is what a reasonable person would do, well, then are the police not reasonable people? Are the firefighters not reasonable people? Social workers? All of them seem to think it was safe, so why would we have thought anything different?
So prosecutors have the last and final say, and that comes tomorrow, and then this case is handed over to the jury.